Good day, everyone. Today, we're going to discuss our research entitled Breaking the Code Optimizing Ceramic Tile Manufacturing Efficiency Using Python. We're here to tackle on how our Python-based solution works. For our first objective, Miss Michelle Anatida, you may proceed.
Our first objective is to provide a specific and interactive procedures. The goal of this project is to create an intuitive Python application that walks users through the whole making process, from raw materials to final output. For every step of the procedure, including choosing the right materials, mixing them, shaping them, and making sure they dry perfectly, the application offers interactive guidance. It also provides instructions on how to set up the process, monitor the kiln during firing, and get consistent results. The second objective will be discussed by Clarence Vasaritan.
The second objective is to estimate the needed materials and temperature. Using the program, manufacturers can input tile dimensions and material properties to calculate the needed amounts of clay, sand, water, and additives, as well as the required temperatures. This helps in planning and ensuring consistent quality in tile production. And for the third objectives, we will proceed to Janavita.
So, for our third objective, to create a tile in a more convenient way. So to sum up this given explanation, our Python-based solution revolutionizes tile manufacturing by offering precise material and temperature estimation, streamlining the entire process. With clear step-by-step instructions, it ensures optimal conditions for each phase, reducing errors and promoting quality outcomes. This user-friendly tool caters to both beginners and experts, enabling the creation of beautiful, durable tiles with ease. Its data driven approach also fosters continuous improvement, driving innovation in the industry. So, for our project features, Jana May Luis Velasco will discuss it.
So for our so we have so for our product features, which consists of five parts, a user first is a user-friendly interface, accurate material calculation feature, temperature guideline, and detailed manufacturing procedures and stability. So the first feature is a user-friendly interface. The calculator will present users with simple prompts and forms for inputting relevant information, such as the size of the tiles, the type of clay, and other parameters. So this means that the calculator is designed to be easy to use. It will guide users through the process with clear instructions and straightforward input fields. Users will be asked to enter necessary details like the dimensions of the tiles and the kind of clay they are using. So, secondly, the accurate material calculation feature. Precise and credible information are provided by this aspect. So, these features ensures that the calculator delivers exact and reliable data regarding material requirements. It takes the user's inputs such as the tile size and clay type and accurately computes the necessary quantities of the materials. Next is for our third to the fourth project features. Here is Mr. Jert Vincent Briones to discuss.
The third features the temperature guideline. This calculator gives the accurate temperature range para sa mga materials at process. Pinapakita nito ang mixing at firing temperatures para sa specific na klase ng clay at glaze na ginagamit. In this way, the user can attain the correct firing condition para sa consistent and high quality tile. And the fourth features are the detailed manufacturing procedure. Kasama sa calculator ang step-by-step guide sa paggawa ng tile. Mula sa paghahanda ng clay, pagbuo ng tiles, pag-apply ng glaze hanggang sa pag-firing sa kiln. This detailed procedure helps user follow best practices and achieve the desired outcome with their tile production. Ang kiln ay isang thermally insulated chamber na nagpapainit sa correct temperature para gawing pottery, tiles at bricks ang clay. And the last feature are the scalability. The calculator is designed to handle inputs for large-scale manufacturing, ensuring that user can easily scale up their production quantities as needed. Kung ikukumpara po natin siya sa manual ang manual po ay time consuming and ang auto naman po is mabilis and easy to use. Now we will proceed on how our program works.
We have here the program for tile manufacturing. With the guidance of this program, individuals can calculate the necessary amount of materials needed and steps in the manufacturing process for two different most used types of tiles, the ceramic and porcelain. It has an easy-to-use interface for entering tile specifications, determines the quantity of materials required, and explains the process of how each type of tile can be made.
This works by prompting the user to enter the tile's precise dimension after choosing a tile type. Based on the input dimensions, the program then determines how much clay, silica, and other materials is needed. The program precisely calculates and provides all of the material needed based on the specified dimensions, giving users access to precise and comprehensive information. This meticulous computation takes into account not only the basic ingredients, such as silica and clay, but also any extras that are pertinent to the kind of tile that is being made, like feldspar for porcelain tiles. The program then lists every step of the manufacturing process: batching, mixing, grinding, drying, glazing, firing, and final selection and packaging for every type of tile.
Error handling plays a crucial role in ensuring the reliability and user-friendliness of the program. By implementing robust error handling mechanisms, the program can validate user inputs and promptly notify users of any mistakes they may have made. This proactive approach minimizes the risk of erroneous calculations and enhances the overall accuracy of the results provided by the program. The program ends carefully and offers a clear, organized user experience if users decide to quit. This thorough method makes it easier for users to comprehend the manufacturing process and compute material requirements, which promotes effective project planning and execution in the tile manufacturing industry.
For example, in order to determine how much clay and other materials are required for ceramic tiles, users need to input the tile's length, width, and thickness. The program then uses these dimensions to precisely calculate the necessary amounts of clay, silica, and other materials, ensuring users have the exact quantities needed for their project. Similar to this, when users input the dimensions and quantity of porcelain tiles, the program determines how much materials are needed and walks them through the entire manufacturing process, highlighting the special high-pressure pressing and high-temperature firing techniques used to create porcelain tiles. Each and every materials needed by the given dimensions are specifically given by the program for the users to know and have an easier process.